my dear kids, how are you all? Welcome back. So, do you all know which festival is coming? Yeah, Raksha Bandhan. So, we are going to make a greeting card or Rakhi for our brothers. So, let's start our activity. So, I have taken 4 craft paper. This craft paper should be like this only. You don't have to tear it. Okay, children? So you can take any color, it's of your choice. So I have taken these many colors, and at the back side of the book there is a orange thread that you have to use. Okay, children? Let's start our activity. So what you have to do is you have to take a square of all these papers. So we'll get 3 squares. Okay? So you need to fold it in this way and then in this way. So you will get a square of it. Okay? So I have cut the squares out of this paper. You can see I have taken out single square. So you will get these 3 squares. So now what you have to do, children? Now you have to make a fan. So you have to fold it in this way. Can you see how I am folding it? आगे पीछे करके आपको fold करना है, and you all know how to make a fan. So in the same way you have to make a fan. So in this way I have done for other 2 papers also. The same steps has to be followed for other 2 squares also. Now you have to fold it in a half. It is like this. You have to fold it in a half. Same for other 2 papers also. So it will give a look like this. Okay? So the next step is, now you have to apply Fevicol here. You need to stick it. It will give a look like this. Understood, children? Now the next step, children, is you need to apply the Fevicol on one side. Okay? Then you have to stick it in this way. You need to join the papers. This fan. Okay? Now again here and join it. Now see how beautiful it is looking, right, children? Now here again you have to apply Fevicol. to join it here. So it's looking very beautiful, na kids? Yes. So children, I have cut a small circle so that I can paste it over here. Okay. So I'll be pasting it, but before that children, you can use any decorative material. So I'm having this decorative material I will use. So whatever decorative material you are having is available at your home, you can use it. So children, I have decorated in this way. Now I will stick it over here. Apply the Fevicol and then stick it here. Slowly and gently. Now turn the pages back. Now take it out the orange thread. So children, you all might be having this orange thread. So I made this thread in this way. Now what you have to do is turn this Rakhi back. I have taken one more circle. Okay. So apply little Fevicol over here. Put the thread like this. Both sides should be equal. And then do one thing children. Apply all over little bit of Fevicol so that it will get stuck properly. So our Rakhi is ready. Now children, you need to stick the Rakhi over here on this chart paper. So apply some Fevicol at the back side. And stick it in a slanting way. So kids, you can decorate the greeting card in this way. And you can write best wishes, Raksha Bandhan. So wish you all happy Raksha Bandhan kids. Thank you.